Today, I'm a vigilante, meaning I'm vigilant. That's an adjective meaning being on the alert to discover and ward off danger or ensure safety. That's what I do. I'm a vigilant. I'm protecting this young man right here. He needs to be protected. I'm vigilant, so I'm going to protect him. Time to just ward off danger. Let's see here. No danger here. Hey! Get off that kid! Get off that kid! Get off him! Get off him! Get away from here, kid! Get away! Get out of here! I am vigilant! No way! Nobody can get past me! I'm vigilant! Are you okay, son? I protected you like I was, because I was vigilant.
Thank you.
Tyro. Vigilant. It's an adjective, and this adjective means to be aware, it's an adjective meaning being on the alert to discover and ward off danger or ensure safety. Thank you, because I'm vigilant and I protected him.